What's up, guys? First of all, I just want to say happy birthday to my mom. Today is my mom's birthday. But man, I just got off a call with my mentees, right? And I'm super excited, super hyped right now. Every week we on the call structuring deals, right? We on the call structuring deals every week live. These are real deals, by the way, right? Deals that are wholesalers are bringing to me, realtors are bringing me these deals. So we are structuring these deals live on the call every single week. And I get to watch my mentees go out and do these deals that we are actually going over on the call live, right? So we're structuring the deals on the calls, and then they end up getting the deal on the contract, and now we're closing on the deals. These are some of the same people when they first started. They kind of had a little doubt, right, that they couldn't actually do it, right, and go out and create deals, close on the deals, and start creating that freedom, right? They was a little like, I don't know if I can actually do it, and now they are doing it, and so that's the most exciting part, right? Anytime you can create that passive income, guys, and that freedom, because that's what's gonna give you that freedom, right? Creating passive income, which you got money coming in every single month. You got $10,000 in your account every single month. After this is your money, after you get through paying the lender and all that stuff, right? You got $10,000 hit your account every single month. That is enough to definitely walk away from your 9 to 5. You see what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, this is why I love doing what I do. Pouring into other people, watching them win, and go out and do deals, right? That's why I started this whole thing. So I want to just tell you guys, if you're sitting there wondering like, man, I wish I could do that too, I'm here to tell you, you can do it. Like, it's possible. You can do it. You got to believe it, right? You got to believe you could do it. The only difference is what you know and the action you take. That's going to determine how successful you are. So guys, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, if you really want to learn how to use your credit, your personal credit, to build your business credit, to use business credit to go out here and buy assets, take those assets, rent them out, and create generational wealth. I'm talking about generational, something you can pass down to your kids. You cannot pass a job down to your kids, right? But you can pass these properties down to your kids, where now your kids are getting monthly income every single month, right? So if that's something you're interested in learning how to do, comment or DM me mentor, and let's jump on a call and see how we can work together. All right?